Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to CIBC Presents Entrepreneurship 101.
Mars's mission is to help grow the next generation of companies that will really be the foundation of our knowledge economy. And our focus is on creating relevant, real-time, contextual, experience-based learning opportunities for entrepreneurs that are in the process of building those companies.
If you got that drive, and you have the passion, and you have the go-to attitude, guess what? Now you just have to go out there and do it. And by the end of this course, we're very confident, and in fact, you'll be able to go out there and execute on your plan.
Entrepreneurship 101 is really designed to serve the people that are thinking about starting a business. This could be someone in graduate school, an undergraduate engineer, scientist, all the way through to people that are maybe been working in industry for 10, 15 years who all of a sudden think, you know what, now might be the right time to start a business. It's a 26-week program, 1 day a week for about an hour and 15 minutes. It's a free program, and again, it's designed to really meet the needs of people thinking about starting a business.
Entrepreneurship 101 for me has just been, learning all the business side of things, seeing everything from A to Z, kind of filling in holes in my knowledge that I didn't have before.
The grassroots education, the Entrepreneurship 101, would cover a whole suite of different topics, but it's really designed for that level of person. I'm thinking about starting a business. What do I need to think about?
It gives you a skill set of writing a business plan, pitching to investors, anticipating what they're looking for, like some of the lectures about VCs, what they're looking for.
When you have a series of experienced VCs on the stage painting a reality as to how difficult it really is to get capital, it really forces the entrepreneurs and the would-be entrepreneurs in the audience to really think through, okay, what are the elements that I'm going to need to get lined up to really have a strong business case to go to the capital communities to raise money.
They've done a fantastic job in bringing in some really big name speakers that are really inspiring. Harry Rosen, Michael McCain.
One of the other advantages is the opportunity for the entrepreneurs to network, not only with the lecturers and panelists that might be presenting, but also with other would-be entrepreneurs to share insights and experiences about what are you thinking and what are some of the challenges that you have.
So Entrepreneurship 101 is really that foundational layer that we wanted to build that would not only connect the community into the resources of Mars, but would begin to lay the groundwork for a long-term, robust entrepreneurship community in Ontario.
You do those things, you're going to be successful in any markets.